Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the EDI response. In this video, we will start on a switch history screen. For more information regarding the switch history screen, please refer to the EDI switch history user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a desired invoice of the patient. Click on the View Response button. The switch details screen will open. The user can view the latest switch response by clicking on its respective section named Latest Switch Responses. In the Latest Switch Responses section, the user will find a comprehensive display of various information related to the claim. Previous switch responses can also be displayed by clicking on its respective section named Previous Switch Responses. In the Previous Switch Responses section, the user will find a comprehensive display of various information related to the previous state of the claim. The Invoice Line section contains information regarding the switched invoice, such as the claimable amount and the status of the claim. Click on a Close button to exit the switch details screen without saving. Click on a Save and Close drop-up menu for more saving options. Click on a Save button to save the changes made without exiting the screen. Click on a Save Lines to New Macro button to create a new macro. For more information regarding macros, please refer to the Macros Billing Combinations user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Save and Close button to save the changes made and return to the switch history screen.